Imagine a vehicle so bold it dares to conquer the unknown while redefining what luxury means on any terrain. This is not just an SUV, this is a revolution. What if I told you that adventure and sophistication finally met in one unstoppable machine? Would you believe it? Stay with us as we unveil something truly extraordinary. This is the 2026 Land Rover Defender 110 X-Dynamic. Welcome and thank you for clicking this video. You could have been anywhere else, but you chose to be here with us. That means everything. We deeply respect your curiosity, your taste in cars, and your desire to discover the best the world has to offer. What you are about to see might just change the way you look at adventure forever. May your journey through life be as powerful as the vehicle we are about to show you. May your dreams drive you forward and success always find you. One day, this very car may be yours. Believe it, because greatness begins with a dream. And every dream deserves a machine that matches its ambition. Now let us take you on a ride through every detail that makes the 2026 Land Rover Defender 110 X-Dynamic a global icon. From the striking exterior to its intelligent engineering, this is where bold design meets fearless performance. Get ready, the journey is about to begin. From the first glance, the 2026 Defender 110 X-Dynamic commands attention. It features a strong silhouette, bold black contrasts, and exclusive trim elements that set it apart. Rugged yet refined, it wears confidence like armor. The LED signature lighting and sculpted body lines make it unmistakable. A true expression of modern adventure. Step inside and experience a space crafted for explorers with taste. Premium materials, advanced digital displays, and spacious comfort welcome you. The X-Dynamic trim adds contrast stitching and textured accents for a distinct identity. This is not just a cabin, it's a cockpit designed for command, comfort, and control. Under the hood, the Defender 110 X-Dynamic delivers relentless power. With advanced suspension and intelligent all-wheel drive, it adapts to every environment. From urban roads to untamed trails, it performs with unmatched capability. The engine roars with purpose. Every mile becomes a statement of strength. Technology is more than convenience. In the Defender 110 X-Dynamic, it is your co-pilot. With a fully digital driver display, intuitive PIV Pro infotainment, and adaptive cruise control, every drive feels smarter and safer. Terrain response and 3D surround camera bring you closer to the road like never before. This global model offers exceptional value for what it delivers. Starting from a competitive price range, the X-Dynamic trim offers exclusive styling and enhanced performance. It is available in multiple configurations, allowing you to choose the Defender that fits your spirit. True freedom, shaped for your lifestyle. The Defender name carries a legacy that began decades ago. Known worldwide for durability and adventure, it has earned its place in history. With the 2026 model, that heritage evolves. The X-Dynamic is not just another version. It is a bold chapter in a story that continues to inspire explorers everywhere. What sets the Defender 110 X-Dynamic apart is its balance of rugged strength and refined luxury. It is a machine built to survive anything, yet styled to impress everyone. It makes no compromises. It redefines what it means to travel beyond the map while feeling completely at home behind the wheel. Driving this SUV is not just about reaching a destination. It is about making a statement. It speaks of courage, independence, and a life lived boldly. It invites you to leave the ordinary behind. And every time you start the engine, you remind yourself that the world was made to be explored. The 2026 Land Rover Defender 110 X-Dynamic is more than a vehicle. It is an experience crafted for those who dream big and drive far. From its commanding presence to its fearless heart, it is ready for the road ahead. If your spirit seeks adventure, your vehicle has finally arrived. Thank you for watching until the end. Your time and attention means so much. We hope this video inspired you and brought you one step closer to your dream car. Remember, every great journey begins with curiosity, and you have just taken the first step.